So we've got a two-car RTC. We've got casualties in both vehicles. So we've got the crew from EU again, and this time they will do a load of blue walk on for us, so we're all going to clap and cheer. Are we ready? Let's start the morning, ladies and gentlemen. So we've got the incident commander with the white helmet on and the incident commander tabard, the jacket, open jacket. He's got ultimate responsibility making sure that we actually have the seats and maintain that our crews are safe at all times. So you can see it's just a quick 360 around the two vehicles. The crew is now working under the incident commander's direction, and they just have to say in which casualty requires attention first. That's just done by a quick 3-hour talk with the patient then telling us what injuries they've got and what they're feeling. So we do this in a phased approach, so what this does is make sure that we maintain safety, but there's a method behind everything that we do. As you'll see, as you go further into these, we start taking bits of the car away and cuts. The crew now to stabilise the vehicle. So stabilising the vehicle, you can see working together with good communication, just allows us a safe working platform. We've got our colleagues from our channel service and a bike who just attended the incident.
So both the right colleague and fire service will be part of the scene. We've done that on the assessment, maybe looking at our patient.
Tell us good questions, stand up. What?
So we're going to start taking control of the patient assessment. So then you can start the patients that we arrive. We've got Tom from the cycle response team, based out of Pennsylvania in Cardiff. They cover all the large areas in Cardiff. So we're going to stay in events. We've got our cycle response team in the second Cardiff, where we know we're not going to get emergency ambulance to the patient quickly. So they sit in the second car and you can get there quickly on their bike. So we've got Tom with that eventually. We've also got Charlie with Rebecca. So they're our first class resource on scene. They're going to get a patient handover from fire and they're going to start treating that patient, maintaining odds, giving fluids, giving that essential pain relief until we can get the patient out and ready to finish the care.
We've got the priorities. We've had that good conversation handover with our ambulance colleagues. We've established the plan to require next patient first. And the team are working under one plan with the incident commander that's based in signed off on and we're all aware of that.
The three patients, fire managers gain access to start treating the patient after patient for us. But this is a hazard environment. We may not have the patients to make that whole scene safe, so we need safe work for the patient. So what flower are doing for us? They're creating space. So they're opening up that car, filling down that roof, giving us as much space as we possibly can so we can access station and get them out safely.
So with our police folks right at the start with that stabilisation curriculum safe working platforms, this is kind of the reason why we've got lots of people now in and around vehicles supporting the casualty. And as we take weight out of the vehicle, for example, the car on the side, we're now going to take out the roof and pull that way. The weight of the car is going to change. It's really important for us to check and recheck stabilisation throughout the vehicle. Just to ensure that the right and safe working platform.
Yeah, the river's still on by the crossing now, look.
Working together, working as one team.
priorities have changed. The key priority now in the atmosphere is to educate that car.
The patients going downhill, they can get pressure out. They slowly do safety.
We need to communicate properly with the capacity around everything we're trying to achieve. The capacity, as best as we can, is informed around what we're trying to do. There's no surprises.
Making sure that patient is breathing in overloads. So when we get them out of the car, we can continue.
Okay, so prior to training now, can't see the extractors, you can stand it, which is great. So we now focus our attention back on the vehicle on all fours. So we've got paramedic bodies in the rear of the vehicle supporting the casualties head and neck. We've got all of our team members focused now on the casualty.
Same before the patient on. We're going to continue that clinical care. That clinical care will start the moment they arrive and will continue all the way through onto the back of the vehicle and away the back of the vehicle all the way to A&E. We're going to use the local hospital, so we're giving cards a ring now to let them know what we're bringing in, so they can be prepared. This patient number 1 is going straight to A&E, straight to theatre. Patient number 2, we will probably treat them at the front door. We've contacted our EMERT colleagues, so our flight helicopter. They're going to be over in a minute as well, so they can possibly land and then we take our patient quicker and to the hospital.
We can go about flight, so we make sure using our special computer at the time on every fire engine. Just rate us, we know where to try to avoid any cylinders, any seat belts. It makes it really safe for us, but it just means we can get the capacity out slightly quicker through avoiding all of those hard metals that a lot of modern cars have got. So we would have looked at this, come into the inside if you knew what the registration plate was for the vehicle. But it's probably what the first task we do when we land on the scene as well is to bring that computer with us. Type in the registration or the make and model of the vehicle and find out where it's best for us to place some of our cuts.
We've still got patient car, but they're totally surrounded by emergency responders. Every member of that team now is focused upon that patient care, stabilising that patient, reassuring that patient, making sure we can get that patient out quickly but as safely as
They
possible.
rescue people from the car.
Working together, one team.
So all of this is very closely made. We can take good contact with paramedics in the vehicle as well, so they're fully aware of what the plan is. That will be down to follow this, creating lots of space for somehow extricate that casualty. So the sharps you can see being created by some of our cuts. All the metals now we're starting to stick out with our sharp, right, and obviously the patient. We're just starting to cover up, so again, just make sure we're really safe.
You want to get down?
We want to make sure that he's not going down there. He's been there a while now. Is that low there? We want to keep on our arms, keep on our chest, so we're not deteriorating in any way. If anyone wants to be afterwards, so keep following the gas to Nurgle, and Jack.
So at this point, we intend to slow down slightly, just to make sure that we're all working off the same plan. Normally the person supporting the couch's head is responsible for the word of command and getting that couch out really safely. Together we're doing slow movements, edging the couch to further and further up the spinal cord. We've had conversation where that couch is likely to be placed as well. So everyone's fully aware that the couch is now out of the vehicle, we're likely to place it. So, paramedic colleagues have carried out a triage area, you can see. The couch should just be right in place in the triage area. And a big round of applause for our crew please. And the main casualties with the birds. Okay, our next demonstration is taking place in 10 minutes time, and that will be a water rescue demonstration taking place in the water's edge, just over there, just behind me in the arena.